Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Windows updates, 64-bit OS, and save any unsaved work. Next, update your GPU drivers, NVIDIA/AMD/Intel, because outdated drivers commonly trigger DirectX 11 errors. Once done, install the DirectX end-user runtimes, June 2010, and Visual C++ redistributables. These supply missing DLLs. You do this now to eliminate basic library mismatches. Finally, reboot to apply changes. Make sure to restart even if not prompted. Once the basics are done, diagnose deeper system issues. Run sfc/scano, then dism restore health to repair corrupted system files that DirectX relies on. Meanwhile, open Event Viewer and Gamehub logs to capture exact error codes or missing DLL names. These clues guide targeted fixes. If logs point to game files, verify integrity or reinstall via Gamehub. Also try running the game as administrator, and set compatibility mode for Windows 8 if the error persists. To finish, test the game on the lowest graphics preset and run windowed mode to reduce GPU stress. This isolates whether features trigger the error. If a log names a missing DLL, reinstall the DirectX runtime files to replace that DLL. Do not overwrite system DLLs indiscriminately. Once complete, reboot and retest. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, roll back your GPU driver to the last known good version, or capture the error code and contact vendor support with logs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.